I created this brand new Metaverse Reels page over here. My second post got over 106,000 views and I only had 9 followers. In today's video, I want to explain to you the power and how we can create a profitable affiliate marketing business using Metaverse Reels and affiliate marketing. Honestly, this is one of my favorites, best online business models of 2022. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got over 100,000 views on my second post on my brand new Metaverse Reels page, how I've been averaging anywhere between $20 and $100 a day on ClickBank affiliate marketing revenue, and how this video blew up and got me my biggest day of $450 online. I want to emphasize on the fact how powerful Metaverse Reels is at the moment. Meta and the Metaverse is really trying to take on TikTok. Meta announced the previous week that it will now dole out additional bonus to Reel creators who are publishing original content on Facebook. Meta is introducing a new incentive called Challenges that enables Facebook Reel creators to earn up to $4,000 a month for meeting certain goals. So the Metaverse at the moment is really pushing out Metaverse content, and especially Meta Reels, because it wants to take on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels and try and become the king short video platform. It is super important to watch this video until the end if you want to learn how to utilize Metaverse Reels to go and blow up your affiliate marketing business like I've been using on my brand new page over here. You'll see 1, 2, 3 over here. I've only posted 3 posts. My first one got over 1,000 views. My second one got 734 views. And my third post got 106,000 views. My page went from 9 to over 1,000 followers in the first 4 days just because of this post over here. And not only am I generating a sustainable income from affiliate marketing with this, I'm also building an audience on my page, which is only going to grow more and more in the future, which means more monetization ways, more ad revenue, and more affiliate marketing commissions in the future. So what I like about this strategy and the use of Metaverse Reels, it's long-term and it's sustainable. It's not one of those short ways where you just make a couple of bucks here and there online. This can become a completely passive income Metaverse Reel business. The first thing I did was I came over to Capterra.com to identify a niche that I can build a business around. So if you come over to Capterra.com and you click on all categories over here, or our categories, you will find tons of different business categories all the way from A to Z in alphabetical order, and you can go and choose any niche over here, from virtual reality to video marketing. They even have winery, wireframes, work orders, workflow management niche, video editing, travel, trust accounting, timeshare, text-to-speech software, surveys, swim schools, subscription management, store locator, speech analytics. So you can go through all of these categories over here and get an idea of what kind of content page or Metaverse Reels page you want to go and create, because it's super important to have your content relative to the affiliate product that you are promoting. You don't want to go and promote real estate if you are promoting a winery product. Your audience, it's just not going to make sense and your audience will get confused. So it's super important to keep that the same. If you're talking about real estate, go and promote a real estate affiliate product on your page, which makes sense because if your audience is watching your real estate content, that means your audience is there to learn about real estate. So you want to target a real estate product to that real estate audience. In today's video, I'm going to use the real estate niche for this, which is very similar to what I'm doing. I'm not exactly doing real estate, but my niche is also got to do with finance and money tips. When it comes down to choosing a niche, I recommend choose something that you're passionate for your Metaverse Reel page, something that you enjoy, because there's no better feeling than building a business and making a career out of something that you love. So let's, for the purpose of this video, we can come over to real estate property management tools over here, and all of these tools over here will most likely have some kind of affiliate programs that we can plug into the Metaverse Reels. So for example, we can copy PropertyWare over here, paste it in Google, and just type affiliate program, and usually at the first link it will say some kind of partner or affiliate program. If you don't see that, that tool most likely doesn't have any kind of affiliate program. Then you move on, you go and look for another one. I don't see any affiliate program for PropertyWare over here. We can go and use Buildium. So let's go and highlight Buildium, go and paste this in Google and type affiliate program, click on enter. And perfect. You'll see the first link over here, become an affiliate for Buildium. That means they have an affiliate program which they will incentivize you and pay you money every time you refer a client to this tool. So you'll see over here, we can apply to become an affiliate. I would like to see what their payout is. This is a really high quality affiliate program because they're paying a subscription based passive income, meaning their plans go at anywhere between 150 rand dollars a month and more, and you will earn 25% commissions every single month for the rest of your life, or for as long as your lead is subscribed to this particular tool. So you'll see over here, you just need to fill out all of this information and you can click on sign up over here. You will get 25% of every sale that you make every month. Once you found an affiliate product on Capterra.com that you want to go and promote in your niche, come over to Facebook.com and go and create a new Facebook page, or now known as Meta. So I created a Facebook page called Millionaire Mindset J Froneman, my same brand that I use on YouTube and all my other social medias. And on this page, you just want to have a decent logo, a nice Facebook page background. All I did was I went to go and create this on Canva.com. I basically took a selfie of myself, used Canva to remove the background and just put these little social media icons, which made a pretty cool icon. So over here on Canva.com, you can come over to Facebook, just search on the search bar, and you will see under templates over here, we've got Facebook covers. Click on that and it will give you a whole bunch of templates that you can go and use for your page. It's really easy. Take a look at this. If I click on any one of these, I can go and change the text. For example, real estate gurus, or whatever you want to have as your name. You can put your own name. For an idea for a Facebook page name, you can come over to business name generator. And I know it's maybe quite annoying going over all this nitty-gritty stuff, your Facebook page name, profile picture, and your icon, but it's super important that you get that right because you want to create a good brand around your page. You can come over to free business name generator over here and just type in real estate. Remember, this is just an example of today's video. I'm just using the real estate example. You want to go and put your niche or whatever you want to sell, and it will give you tons of names that you can go and use. For example, Dream Estate, Unbound Real Estate, Aholic, Realtor Estate, Lookout Real. You can go and use any of these names for your Facebook page over here. Once you've got a name, an icon, and a Facebook cover over here, we're ready to go and create our Facebook Reels. There's two ways that you can go about this. You can either create your own content, which is what I do because I like to keep my content unique, which is a big reason this video probably blew up. All I do was I speak into the camera like this, I provide value, and keep it less than 30 seconds, and it gets good watch time. People watch it, and that is why the Metaverse Reel algorithm is really pushing my kind of content. So I'm going to show you exactly how I structure my kind of content so that you can do the same to also go viral on the Metaverse Reels. The best way to get tons of content ideas for your Facebook Reels page or your Metaverse Reels page is come over to TikTok. Use the competitor platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to go and get ideas. Go and search up your niche, for example, real estate as is. And over here, you will find tons of videos that are relative to real estate. So what I want you to do is I want you to go and save a whole bunch of these. You can go and click on any one of these, copy the link or save it over here. Just make sure it's saved somewhere. And you want to go and recreate similar videos or the same video just in your own words, providing this kind of value in the real estate niche. So for example, this lady over here, I've actually seen her videos a few times. She creates these skits where she basically talks to herself, just giving value on real estate. And I recommend go and follow these pages. Go and open them up in a new tab. Click on follow and go and have a look at throughout all of their content. Get ideas on what the top dogs are doing in this niche so that you can build a similar kind of content base around what they're doing and just put it in your own words and in your own way of giving value. To go and do this, you can use your phone. If you don't want to create any content at all, you can come over to Google and just type best real estate tips over here. Click on enter. And we can look at this website here, what to look for when buying a house. And I'm going to show you a tool that will automatically put these tips into a done for you video. I recommend try and get out of your comfort zone if you don't like talking on camera or if you're shy. Create your own content, but I'm going to show you the strategy anyway for those that don't want to create their own content. You can come over to a website called invideo.io. Keep your tips page open over here. I'm going to get back to that now. On invideo.io, it will allow you to turn text into done for you Facebook Reels and short videos. You can go and click on vertical over here, then click on text to video, and you can go and use any one of these templates over here. Let's, for example, use let's look for something that's got buildings or got to do with properties. I like this one over here of these skyscrapers. Select this template, click on use template over here. For your headline, you can go and copy your headline. What to look for when buying a house. Paste your headline. For your story, you can go and copy these 15 tips over here, just like this. Right click, copy, paste this over here, click on next, click on rearrange text, it will rearrange it for you. Click on next again, and it will automatically turn all of this text into a done for you Metaverse reel, which you can go and post on your page. Now, this strategy might take a little bit of time because there might be a couple of people doing this already. But if you record your own content like I'm doing right here, it makes your content unique to you, and it's your own brand, your own face, and your own image that you're busy building around your Metaverse reel page. So you'll see over here, it then gives you all of these tips in a done for you video. If I go and click on preview all, take a look at this. And there you have it. It turns this entire tips page into a simple 50-second video, which we can go and post on our page. Go and click on download over here. Click on 720p or 1080p. Click on export, and it will export this entire video to your PC, which is then ready to upload to your Metaverse reel page. So you'll see it will take a couple of minutes, and I'll meet you back when this is done. Once your video is done rendering, click on download over here, and this will now download to your PC. So the next step in posting this on your Facebook reel page, you can only do this on your mobile device. So I recommend go and download Facebook or Meta on your phone, and it will look something like this. I'll put a screenshot on the screen. There will be an option where you can go and upload a reel, and just go and upload it as is. You don't need to change anything. If you want to go and edit your own videos, if you're recording your own videos like I'm doing, you can go and use a free tool called openshot.org. One of the best free open source video editing softwares out there. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars every month like Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas. So you can download this completely for free if you want to go and edit your own portrait Metaverse Reels. And finally, step number 3 is to go and post your reel on Metaverse Reels with a simple caption. I usually just put the title as my caption. You'll see over here again, I did the same. Simple little caption like this, nothing fancy. And then all I do is I leave a link to my affiliate product on the top of my page over here. So where I've got edit watch video, I've got a link to my YouTube channel. You can go and click on edit button. You want to go and click on sign up or maybe read more or anything that's got to do. I recommend sign up or learn more over here, and set that button to your affiliate link of this product over here that you've now applied for. In our case, buildium.com, which is a real estate property management tool that you're now promoting on your page. What I recommend is also, if you want to, in the title of your videos, you can put link in bio for a free trial of property real estate management. And when people are scrolling through Metaverse Reels, they will naturally see in the caption of your videos, link in bio, which will redirect a lot of traffic through your affiliate link. And that way, as you're growing your page more and more, you will get some videos that will blow up like this one did over here to 100,000 views, which will get hundreds of clicks on your affiliate links, which is potentially a lot of signups to your affiliate product, which means affiliate commissions and passive income from this affiliate program. Once you get a couple of sales and start generating revenue from your page, you can go and reinvest some of that revenue into your own page. So you can go and click on boost post over here, like this. Just click on accept. And what I recommend is, before we just go and boost it, go and have a look on trends.google.com and have a look at where real estate is trending the most in the world. So let's go and wait for this to open up. We can go and search here, real estate, click on enter or on the term, go and open up worldwide over here. And you'll see right now, real estate is trending a lot in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, United States, and United Arab Emirates. So you can come back to your Facebook Reel page over here or your Metaverse Reels, go and select new audience or create new. Under the audience name, under the locations, you can go and type these top 5 countries over here so that your ads are only running in the countries where real estate is trending the most. So that way you will get a lot of real estate passionate or enthusiast people following your page, and more potential affiliate commissions and affiliate sales. I'm going to give you an entire playlist on how you can go and learn to create your own affiliate marketing funnels, landing pages, sequences, campaigns with upsells, downsells, checkouts, email automation, every single feature that you need that successful affiliate marketers use. You can go and plug into your Metaverse Reels page over here. So I'm going to leave two playlists on the screen. One, how to go and build your audience online. You'll see it's titled How to Grow Your YouTube Channel, but this applies to TikTok, YouTube, and any other platform that you're using. And secondly, Kartra training over here, which is the tool I use to build my affiliate marketing funnels and checkouts to plug into my social media pages. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, plug that into the strategy over here and what you learn from here. Click on one of these and I'll see you over there.